Today was a nice day. I figured I'd fly to Harbor Freight to show you the latest deals. Hey guys, they just released some new super coupons. I'm going to go over some of the top ones you should consider getting, and they're going to be expiring on January 19th, so you do have some time on them. I'm going to start off with the McGraw 29-gallon belt drive air compressor. So it's 29 gallons, it's rated up to 165 psi, and it's normally priced at 569 bucks. But with the coupon, you will be able to save 70 bucks on that. So it's only 499.99. And if you're in need of a small, cheap air compressor, they have this McGraw one. It's 110 maximum psi, 3-gallon, and it's a third running horsepower with an oil-free pump. It does have a single port to it. It is normally priced at 70 bucks, but with the super coupon, you'll be able to save 28% on this. So it's only going to be $50. And if you're looking for an upgrade of air compressor compared to the McGraw, they have the Fortress Ultra Quiet. It is 1 gallon, and they say it's 80% quieter than the others, and it's 50% lighter as well. This is normally priced at 160 bucks. But the super coupon, you'll be able to save $30 on that. So it's only going to be 130 bucks. And if you need a new air hose to go with a new compressor, they have this 1/4 inch by 100-foot poly air hose rated up to 250 max PSI. That is normally priced at 40 bucks. But with the coupon, you'll be able to save 20% on that. So it's only going to be 32 bucks. I know some of you guys have been waiting for a deal on the heavier duty jack stands by Daytona. So they have a deal now on the 6-ton ones. It does come available in the different colors as the 3-ton does, and it has a maximum height of 23 3/4 inch and a minimum height of 15 1/4 inch, made of solid steel panels. It is normally priced at 80 bucks, but you will be able to save 25% on them. So it's only going to be 60 bucks for them. It's a great deal because we don't see these go on sale very often. So it's good to save 25% on them. And they're running a pretty good deal on the Daytona 3-ton low profile long reach floor jack. It does come available in 4 different colors to choose from: the blue, black, green, and red. It does have a max height of 24 1/4 inch, a minimum height of 3 3/8 inch. It is a rapid dual pump to it, and rear swivel casters. It is normally priced at 270 bucks, but you will be able to save $80 with a coupon. So it's going to be 190. Excellent savings there. And they have a deal on the Pittsburgh 2-ton compact trolley jack. Does have a max height of 12 3/8 inch height and a minimum height of 3 3/8 inch. It weighs just 20 pounds, and it is normally priced at 50 bucks for that. But with the coupon, you will be able to save 30% on it. So it's only going to be 35 bucks. And they have a decent deal on the Predator 2000 watt super quiet inverter generator. It's rated at 1600 running watts and 12-hour runtime, and it's only 58 decibels. It is lightweight at 49 pounds. It is gas powered. It is normally priced at 600 bucks, but with the coupon, you will be able to save $100 on that. So it's going to be 499.99. And they even have a deal on the Drummond 1/4 inch automatic submersible utility pump. It's rated at 1,750 gallons per hour and a 26-foot max head lift to it. And it comes with a 1-inch NPT discharge outlet. It is normally priced at 150 bucks, but with the coupon, you will be able to save $35 on that. So it's going to be 115 bucks. And this is a month I'm doing another $100 gift card giveaway. It's going to be coming up on January 1st. I'm going to be doing the winner drawing on it. I'll be posting the winner on the community post on January 1st. All you have to do to enter to win is simply leave a comment below and they'll get you entered. I'm doing this to show my appreciation for you guys watching my videos, and that you got me past the 20,000 subscriber mark last month. And I do have a new goal to get to 30,000 by the end of this month. So we got just a couple days left, and I have less than 400 to go. So I do need your help to get me to the 30K mark. And if we can reach that goal, guys, I'm going to be doing another giveaway of 5 gold icon ratchets. So I got to reach that goal of 30,000 and help me get there. I do appreciate that support. Let's go on to the next deal. And they have a decent deal on the Quinn 1/2 inch drive extendable breaker bar. So it does extend from 16 to 24 3/4 inch, 1/2 inch size. It's normally priced at 28 bucks. You will be able to save 21% on that, so it's only 22 bucks. And the next deal is on the Pittsburgh 3/8 drive teardrop composite ratchet. It is lightweight composite design, 72 tooth with a 5-degree arc swing. Also comes with a lifetime warranty. Normally priced at 15 bucks. You can save 33% on this ratchet, so it's only going to be 10 bucks. And I want to make you aware of a deal they're having for the next 3 days, starting today, the December 29th through the 31st for everyone with the purchase of $35. You get one of these select items for free. Those choices are a Bunker Hill ammo can, a 3-piece metric and SAE and star folding hex key set, or the titanium step drill bit set. It's up to a $18.99 value there. And for ITC members, it could be for any purchase. So you could purchase anything at all. No minimum requirement to get one of these items for free. You do have until the 31st though, so be sure to capture the deal. I think the highest price item is going to be the step drill bits. It's an excellent deal. So here's the free item that you can get until the 31st. So ITC members, any purchase, you can even buy the 79-cent Harbor Freight bag and get this for free. But everyone else, it's spending 35 bucks or 34.99 and get it free. So this is the Warrior titanium steel step bits. It's 2 pieces. So you could drill into steel, copper, brass, aluminum, and plastic. And it's good from hole sizes. On the one is 3/16 up to 1 and 3/8. And then the other one is from 3/16 to 7/8 inch. I did get this for free the last time they offered it, and I've only used it on plastic so far, and it did a pretty good job of drilling right through it, right to the size I needed. So it's definitely worth the pickup to get for free, without a doubt. And they have a pretty good deal on the Armstrong TV mount that's good for 23 to 65 inch TVs and a 77-pound capacity. It does mount to a single stud. This is normally priced at 35 bucks. But with the coupon, you can save 42% on that. So it's going to be $20. And they have an awesome deal on the Braun 800 lumen tactical flashlight. So it's rated at 800 lumens. It has a runtime of up to 6 hours, powered by 4 AAA batteries. It does have spot and flood modes, and it has a range of up to 465 feet with that. It is only priced at 14 bucks. With the coupon, you can save actually 42% on that. So it's only going to be $8. It's an excellent deal. We'll test to see how bright it is. It has a strobe mode. That's a pretty good flashlight for only 8 bucks. And it is nice and compact as well. So it'd be great for a little tool bag. And how about saving 40 bucks on the Bauer 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw? It is rated at 4,500 RPM. It does have a 12.5-inch cross-cut capacity and a miter of up to 60 degree right and 52 degree left. You can do 5-inch crown molding along the fence there. They do have this normally priced at 250 bucks. But like I mentioned, you can save 40 bucks on this, so it's only going to be $210. And if you're in need of a new power washer, they have this electric one by Bauer. It's rated at 2,300 psi and 1.2 gallons per minute, and it does have a 25-foot hose length to it and 12-inch back wheels to make carting it around nice and easy. It does have a built-in soap detergent container, and that is normally priced at 250 bucks for that. With the coupon, you can actually save $50, so it's only going to be 200 bucks. And they have a decent deal on the Atlas brushless cordless blower. It's the 80-volt lithium with the 4 times power. It is rated at 605 CFM, 150 miles per hour, and it says you can clean over a half acre on a single charge. It is normally priced at 75 bucks. With the coupon, you can actually save 20% on that, so it's only going to be 60 bucks. And they're running awesome deal on the Bauer quarter sheet sander. It's a 2.2 amp rated, 15,000 oscillatings per minute, high power sealed bearing motor, and a 6-foot power cord. It is only priced at 25 bucks. With that coupon, you can save 32% on it, so it's only going to be 17 bucks. Next deal is going to be on the Bauer 8.5 amp, 1-inch SDS Plus rotary type hammer. It does have 3 modes to it, so you can have it be drill only, or hammer drill. So you could use this to do some chipping of concrete or tile work. Well, it's normally priced at $115, but based on the coupon, they actually say it's normally priced at $120. Either way, they're going to have that price at only 90 bucks. According to the coupon, it is saving $30. If you've been waiting for a deal on the Hercules 20-volt 5 amp hour battery, so it's battery only, it is normally priced at 75 bucks. But with the coupon, you can actually save 33% on that, so it's only going to be $50. The next deal is on the Diamondback 15 amp 10-inch wet tile saw. It does have the sliding table and a laser guide with it. You can do a maximum of 3.5-inch cut of depth and 0 to 45 degree bevel, and it's rated at 4,000 RPM. It does have a miter cut angle guide. The thing that's great about it is that you could do a 24-inch rip cut, 18-inch diagonal cut, 3.5-inch max depth of cut, and then the bevel. This does look like a nice tile saw. It is semi-compact for a 10-inch one. It even has built-in wheels, so you can cart it around with it easily. And it also has a built-in handle on the other side, and it has the pan to catch the water. What I recommend doing for running tile saws is to have a separate bucket of water to put the pump in, so that way it's always pumping clean water instead of recycled dirty water from the tile cuts. So this saw is normally priced at $480. With the coupon, you can actually save 40 bucks on it. So it's only gonna be 460 bucks. The next deal is on the Bauer 10-inch 5-speed benchtop drill press. It's rated at 6.2 amp motor. It does have both a LED and work light, so it has laser alignment to it. And it is normally priced at 170 bucks. With the coupon, you can save $20 on that. So it's only gonna be 150 bucks. And they do have a deal on the Doyle 6-inch swivel vise with the anvil and pipe jaws. So it has the built-in anvil there on the back. It does have the pipe jaws just underneath the clamping area. It does weigh 68 pounds, so it is nice and heavy duty. And it has 9,900 pound clamping force, and it's a 6.5-inch jaw opening. It is normally priced at 200 bucks. With the coupon, you can save 20 bucks on that. So it's only $180, which if I'm not mistaken, I think they recently did a deal this earlier this month or maybe last month where you're actually saving $50 on it. And they do have a deal on the Apache 3800 series weatherproof protective case. It does come in 3 different colors of the orange, tan, and black. You can actually save 25% on this. So it's only going to be 30 bucks and it was 40. It's decent savings, but it's not going to be the lowest price we've seen it recently because they had a parking lot sale previously where I think you're saving 30% on them. And I do have a few of these cases myself of the different sizes for my Freedom seed dispensers as well as drones that I have. And they are awesome. And if you're in need of the US General 27-inch single bank roller cabinet, it does have 7 drawers to it. It is normally priced at $399, but with the coupon, you can actually save $30 on that, so it's only 370 bucks. That's better than saving nothing at all. So maybe wait for a better deal, but if you're in need of one now, it might be the time to pick one up and save at least 30. It does come available in the different colors of red, black, blue, green, orange, yellow, white, and slate gray. And it does have a 1,200-pound weight capacity. And if you happen to have the 42-inch double bank roller cabinet, and if you're in need of the 42-inch double bank top chest, they have this one that's 8 drawers. It's normally priced at 450 bucks. Well, you can actually save $50 on it with the coupon. So it's only going to be $399.99. And if you're in need of a side tray by US General to fit your bigger service carts, they have this one that's normally priced at 25 bucks, and you will be able to pick it up for only $20. And that's saving 20%, and that is available in the 9 different colors, including the purple. And then the next deal is on the US General steel magnetic cup holder. So if you missed out on the 30% off sale they had this previous weekend and are in need of this, they do have it normally priced at 13 bucks. But with the coupon, you can save 23% on it, so it's only $10. All right, those are going to be the top super coupons I'm going to go over in this video. I will be sure to put a link down the description below to access the coupons on their website so you can take a look at the rest of the ones that they have available. And if you gain any value from this video, I'd appreciate it that you give it a thumbs up and consider hyping the video if you're on a mobile device. It does help spread the word to other deal enthusiasts. And also consider subscribing so you're notified of these deal videos that I do to help save you money on tools. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.